Hi, I'm Mick with Southland Idealease. Today myself and Rod, the good looking guy in the video, are going to show you how to operate our Depka 53-foot recovery trailer with self-contained hydraulic system. First thing we do is to check the fuel level. And, if applicable, ensure that the fuel tank breather has been opened. Next, we go around to the curb side of the trailer and check the hydraulic fluid level in the sight glass. The engine controls are on the driver's side of the trailer. First, we push the RPM control lever forwards for starting. This lever can be used to set smooth running once the engine is warm. Move the key to run to prime the fuel line and then start the engine. Once the engine is running and hydraulic pressure is up, we disengage the hinged fifth wheel upper coupler, which allows the trailer to tilt whilst not stressing the truck's fifth wheel. Using the tilt deck control handle, we raise the rear deck in line with the upper deck. Then we use the suspension slide control handle to bring the suspension fully forward, visually ensuring the air lines under the trailer do not get damaged or trapped. Once the axles are fully forward, the rear of the trailer is touching the ground and it is ready to receive whatever is being loaded. Once loaded, we reverse the operational steps. First, moving the axles fully rearward with the suspension slide control. Then, we lower the tilt deck back down to its level position. We then re-engage the hinged fifth wheel upper coupler and finally shut the engine off.